Ms. Via here. For the first week of the semester, you will be focusing on writing a critical analysis. Our first week will consist of the first unit, and in the first unit consists of 4 modules. In these 4 modules, you will have a few writing assignments, activities, a couple of quizzes, a discussion post, and then the formal assignment, which will be due on Sunday. To complete Unit 1, you must complete all the assignments and readings dictated in Modules 1 through 4. In Modules 1 through 4, you should read from the first 6 chapters of current issues. This doesn't mean you'll read all 6 chapters, in no way. You'll just read a couple of essays within each chapter. You'll also complete some assigned readings and activities. You'll take Reading Quiz 1 and 2, participate in a peer review this weekend, post on discussion boards 1 and 2, submit a critical summary, which will consist of a 350-word summary. The explanations and details regarding the summary are on Module 2, and the analytical essay. The requirements for this essay assignment, which is a 900-word paper, I believe, is listed on Module 3. So remember that most of the assignments, the major assignments anyway, like the large essay and the discussion posts, those aren't going to be due until the weekend, but you want to make sure to complete all the activities during the weekdays so that you have ample time to complete the larger assignments over the weekend. And that way you can have more practice, and I can give you feedback as soon as possible, hopefully a day or 2 before the actual larger assignment is due. So just a quick reminder, and I know this has already kind of been answered in the course questions discussion board, but there is a recommended sequence for this class, and it's something I've reiterated a few times already. But because this is an online class, and because it's intersession as well, and English 3, it is a difficult class. So in order for you to be successful, make sure that you're focusing on working on the class every single day, Monday through Thursday. I would like you to start each unit with working on one module, and then the following day work on another module, and so forth and so forth. So for example, you should complete Module 1 by January 6th, that's tomorrow. You should complete Module 2 by Tuesday, January 7th, and so forth and so forth. And then the following week, you should complete those 4 modules. Within that week. And I think that'll be the best way to go about the course. So essentially you're treating one module as 2 class periods. So one module is technically 1 week worth of work in a regular 16-week semester. So although this is obviously not a 16-week semester, the requirements, the word count, everything is still the same. I am not allowed to change it in any way whatsoever. So you did sign up for a rigorous course. However, it is my goal to make sure that the class, the assignments, everything is as easy as possible to understand. So when it comes to actually completing the assignments, you have everything necessary. If at any point in modules 1 through 4 or in any modules you're confused, you're unsure of what the instructions are, don't hesitate to post on the course questions discussion post or just email me directly. Overall, in Unit 1, you will be completing all of these assignments that I've already listed out below, but each module also has an introduction page. So as you probably already noticed, let me move my face. Every module has an introduction page that lets you know what you'll work on in this specific module and what you have to complete, essentially. Sometimes you'll be just completing assignments that you're not going to turn in, but these are assignments that will definitely 100% help you work and write on larger assignments. And also each module has a conclusion page, which explains what you should have completed in that module. So you should double check the introduction and conclusion modules or pages, this and this, to just remind you, these are the 4 or 5 things you need to complete. I completed those, I can move on. So for this week, you should complete Module 1, Module 2, Module 3, and Module 4. For every week in Module 4, Module 4, or the 4th module, I should say, will mostly just consist of a peer review and discussion. Module 4 will have the least amount of assignments because you're going to be working on your essay assignment on Thursday and Friday and Saturday and Sunday. So I don't want to overwhelm you with a ton of work on Thursdays, but just know that the first 3 modules of whatever week we're going to be on, Unit 1, Unit 2, or Unit 3, they're going to be a little bit more hefty, but I've paired up readings from the textbook, my own lecture notes, and at times outside videos that reiterate kind of the same concepts, but just to explain the ideas in different ways, so it's easier to kind of understand it and you're not just reading from the textbook and just writing your essays without any additional support. So anyway, long story short, for our first unit, you will be completing modules 1 through 4. This module will end with you writing a critical summary or a critical essay assignment, and the prompt for that essay assignment is listed on Module 3 as discussed before, an analytical essay. I would like you to take some time to review everything, obviously, but don't go ahead and just start working on Module 3 automatically. Start with Module 1 and work up to Module 4, because I've developed every single page, every mini assignment, every larger assignment as a small kind of stepping stone, and once you complete that, the next assignment will be easier, and then the next one, and the next one, and the next one. So again, I've prepared this class to be as much as student-oriented as much as possible. And again, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to post on the course questions discussion board or to email me directly. I look forward to your questions.